market open here. And there we are in a downtrend at the moment. Ooh. Oh shit. There we are in a downtrend at the moment. Ooh. Oh shit. Start my journal. All right, today is Thursday, May 21st. We are 3 minutes till market open roughly. Price is currently trading right around 28. All right, today is Thursday. 2805.1. We are 3 minutes till market open roughly.
Good morning. Price is sitting right at 2805.10. 3 minutes before the open. You want me to keep an eye on the first 5-minute candle for our Zoom strategy and call out the opening range once it prints?
No, I'm watching that myself. I'm just making that as a note.
Good morning.
We are in a downtrend currently right now, and all levels are marked. Our overnight ranges is 28.29. I'll say 28.30 at the high to 27.94.6 at the low for our overnight range. Yesterday's high is 28.24. Yesterday's low is 27.40.5. We're trading in between about 5 levels right now. So there's a bunch of levels that we've passing and pushing through. But we're going to watch this first 5 minutes or this first 5-minute candle, see what it does, and take our trades from there. Right now, we are starting.
Got it.
Our starting.
We're sitting right in the middle of a bunch of levels. Overnight high 28.30. Overnight low 27.94.5. Yesterday's high 28.24. Yesterday's low 27.40.50. Price is currently around 28.05. Downtrend on the EMAs for now. I'll stay quiet and let you watch the first 5-minute candle. Just holler at me when you want me to start tracking anything or logging trades. Good luck today. 27.40.50.
Starting balance today, $18,805.
And let you watch the first 5-minute candle. Just holler at me when you want me to start
Got it.
tracking anything.
Starting balance today, $18,805. I'm locked in, ready when you are.
Starting balance today, $18,805.
Got it. Starting balance today, $18,805. I'm locked in, ready when you are.
All right, market's open.
Market's open. First 5-minute candle is printing now. I'm watching it with you. Let me know if you want me to call out the high and low once it closes.
All right, market's open.
Market's open. First 5-minute candle is printing now. I'm watching it with you. Let me know if you want me to call out the high and low once it closes.
All right, we're looking for that 30-point move today. We got our alert.
Copy that. We're looking for a clean 30-point move today. Alerts up. First candle is in. Let me know when you take the trade. I'm right here with you.
I'm in the trade. I got in at 28.02. I couldn't get in at the top. It was moving too fast. But my target is going to be 27.79.4.
I'm right here with you.
I'm in the trade. I got in at
Got it. You're in short at 2802. Target is 2779.40. That's roughly a 22.5 point move from your entry. I'll track it for you. Let me know if you want me to update you on how close we are to target or if anything changes. Got it. You're in short at 2802. Target is 2779.40. That's roughly a 22.5 point move from your entry. I'll track it for you. Let me know if you want me to update you on how close we are to target or if anything changes.
We're under the 200 EMA. All of our other signals are printing. We're under the 200 EMA.
Got it. You're short at 2802. Now trading under the 200 EMA. And multiple signals are printing in your favor. Price is working in your direction. I'll stay quiet and keep watching with you. Just let me know if you want an update on where we are or if you do anything with the trade. Got it. You're short at 2802. Now trading under the 200 EMA. And multiple signals are printing in your favor. Price is working in your direction. I'll stay quiet and keep watching with you. Just let me know if you want an update on where we are or if you do anything with the trade.
Yeah, we're under the 200 MA, I'm sorry, and all of our EMAs are in a downward position, fanning out. So this is a clean setup. I'll show.
Yeah, we're under the 200 MA, I'm sorry, and
I'm gonna try to I'm gonna try to show and record and switch screens real quick.
Fanning out.
So guys, you can see
this is a clean setup
on this screen where my signal came in at. My signal showed up, right? My entry should have been at the top of this candle. Of course, that candle was already forming at initial market open, and I wasn't ready. I was fucking looking over something else.
On this screen,
I should have got in as close as I could to the top. I ended up getting in at 28.02, which is right here somewhere, and almost in the middle of that candle. Not the best place, but whatever. It'll work. It tells you my target, 28 or 27.79.4. That's what I have marked on the other chart. We're going to see if it plays out. This is something that I've been testing, and it showed that it was pretty accurate. So we're going to see how this plays out today and see if we can get our account up to over 25,000 and close out this week strong.
Got it. I see it. You're in short from 2802, and your target is marked at 2779.40. You're right. Ideally, you would have caught the top of that candle, but 2802 is still a decent spot on a fast mover. We'll see if it runs down to that target. I'm tracking it with you. Just say the word if you want me to start logging P&L or anything while you record. Good luck, man. Let's see if it delivers.
Well, right now it's at 9:36. We're sitting at 1,500 P&L right now. I'm trading 50 contracts, by the way. That's a margin of $4,138.75.
Right now it's at 9:36.
Got it. You're at $1,500 right now on 50 contracts. Margin on this trade is $4,138.75. Want me to track your P&L as it moves, or just stay quiet for now?
I'll tell you it as it moves.
Got it. You're at $1,500. Got it. I'll stay quiet. Just holler out the P&L whenever you want, and I'll keep track of it for you. $4,138.75. Want me to track your P&L as it moves, or just stay quiet for now?
I'll tell you it as it moves.
Got it. I'll stay quiet. Just holler out the P&L whenever you want, and I'll keep track of it for you.
You remember what I told you about all the factors that need to happen in order for us to get the 30-point move?
Yeah, I remember. You said we need a clean combination of things lining up. The EMAs fanning out, breaking key levels, and especially getting under the 200 EMA for the 30-point move to really have the best chance. Is that what you're seeing right now? Yeah, I remember. You said we need a clean combination of things lining up. The EMAs fanning out, breaking key levels, and especially getting under.
No, actually, I think I might have been talking to fucking another AI when I was doing that testing. I'll have to see.
No, actually, I think I might have been talking to fucking another AI when I was doing that testing. I'll have to see.
Let's see here. Here we go. Yep, it was another one.
Let's see here. Yep, it was another one.
Let me catch you up. Shit, this is probably gonna break my fucking recording. Damn it.
Let me catch you up. Shit, this is probably gonna break my fucking recording. Damn it.
Oh no, I think it's still working. Yeah, it's still recording.
Oh no, I think it's still working. Yeah, it's still recording.
All right, are you caught up on the strategy now?
Yeah, I'm caught up. We trade the first clean break of the 5-minute opening range after 8:35 ET in the direction of the EMA trend. Only one signal per range, and we lock until that 12-point target is hit. I'm good. Ready whenever you are. Yeah, I'm caught up. We trade the first clean break of the 5-minute opening range after 8:35 ET in the direction of the EMA trend. Only one signal per range, and we lock until that 12-point target is hit. I'm good. Ready whenever you are.
Oh, excuse me. We're expecting a slight pullback because of the long engulfing candle. There's going to be a pullback before it goes back down. We got our stop just above the opening range candle. So what we're waiting for is
long engulfing candle is going to be a
price to break below.
We got our stop just above
the lower range,
the opening range candle. So what we're waiting for is,
I'm actually going to go back and start recording this screen just so
the lower range,
you guys can see it and I don't have to stitch this later.
I'm actually going to go back and start recording this screen just so you guys can see it. I don't have to stitch this later.
Was that your great-grandfather leading armies to battle? Or your great-aunt lending strength whenever it was needed? Was it your family who flew? Who fixed? Who fought? Find out with a search on Ancestry. Explore military records, photos, and more to piece together your family's story and the heroes who shaped it. Who will you honor? Memberships are on sale now, so start your journey today.
What does a promise mean?
It means when somebody says they're gonna do something, they do it.
They promise me that I'm not alone, and they promise me I shouldn't be scared, and they promise me there's answers out there, and they're gonna find them.
Whatever we do, patients come first. They get the best care we can give them, and we're gonna make sure that we take care of them in their lives.
When you call or go online to loveshriners.org with your monthly gift, you are helping Shriners Children keep these promises alive.
When people come to you, they come to you with the hope that they'll get better. We take that responsibility really seriously.
So when we walked into the room at Shriners, her bed was with blankets, diapers, toys, all the care, and surrounded by the doctors and nurses ready for us when we were not ready at all. They have given us nothing but amazing care. They promised to look after Hazel. They have. That has been a promise, and they have stuck with it.
I promise my patients and their families that I will always take the very best care for them.
And because of you, Shriners Children is able to keep its promise to care for children who need it most.
When you call or go online to loveshriners.org, you are supporting the care that kids like me need to do the things that we didn't think were possible.
They promised that I'm going to live a life where I'm confident and proud of the person that I am.
I'm going to be here for you, and I'm going to show up, and I'm going to give you anything I can and support you however I can.
When you give $19 a month or more, you will receive your very own Love to the Rescue blanket. It's a cozy reminder of all the kids you're helping every day.
A promise has the power to change lives. When you call or go online to loveshriners.org, you are helping Shriners Children turn a promise into care.
Thank you!
Okay, it's just a laxative. How scary could it be?
Honey, relax. It's Miralax. It works with the water in your body for gentle relief.
Relax, it's Miralax. For more fiber per serving than any other gummy, try Mirafiber.
You're told to optimize, to have. There's always a promise of a better you. But what if you were never meant to be fixed? Your biology knows how to thrive. It just needs a reminder. Pharma Collider reawakens that rose. 400 nutrients, 4 seconds, 1 daily revival. This time, remember what you're made of.
With Zesty Herb Frescence, take Zesty to go anywhere and everywhere.
This is Arby's pulled pork and chopped brisket. This is the juicy result of slow smoking meat for up to 13 hours. And this is you forgetting time exists and getting lost in the sauce.
Arby's, we
have the meat.
If you're in the military, you can earn your degree online at Southern New Hampshire University.
I was surprised to see how many credits I got from my military experience.
I used the GI Bill thanks to my active duty time, which helped me earn my degree faster. I knew it was the right time to pursue my educational goals because I'm looking to move my career forward. Earning my degree at SNHU has really given me the confidence to lead.
If you're in the military and thinking about going back to school, you can do it.
Visit snhu.edu/military.
The Situation Room with Wolf Blitzer and Pamela Brown, next on CNN.
All right, new this morning, we're standing by for a potential new executive order by President Trump focused on artificial intelligence and cybersecurity. Sources tell CNN that the order will push for a voluntary government review of new AI models before they're released publicly. Some of the biggest players in AI, including Anthropic and OpenAI, have engaged with the White House on the executive order. CNN's Hadass Gold is joining me now. What do we know?
Yeah, so we are expecting, according to sources I've spoken to, that this executive order will be signed later today, this afternoon. And the most important aspect of it is a period of time, a voluntary review period, where these big AI companies, OpenAI and Anthropic, for example, will submit new versions of their models for the government to take a look at up to 90 days before they are publicly released to everyone else and unleashed on the world. This will give time for the government to review these new models and help fix and prepare our critical infrastructure, talk to other industries like banks to help them prepare for this, because these new models can be so capable, especially when it comes to things like hacking.
This might not be a good setup today. We just watching fucking shit. Yeah, that's bullshit. Okay. Complete reversal. So, on that note, we get out the trade. We're down $2,000. We immediately get back in because we know where it's going. And we take profit up here. That did not work. Sums up my fucking trading. Always that first trade, I swear, is like a fucking nemesis. I gotta go back and do some more testing on that. As to why the fuck didn't it work? Or what to look for if it's 2 green candles after the first pull, get out. I don't know. I have to see. I'll have to see. Would have been cool had it worked. But we'll get back out. I have to go back and do some more testing on that. That's how trading is. You test shit out. It's all good in theory until you put it in an actual fucking trading day, and then you get punched in the mouth like that. And you gotta dig yourself out of a $2,000 hole. Sucks balls. Come on, get up there. Guess I'll update my journal. All right, that didn't work. I need to do some more testing on it. It showed the signal.
All right, no worries. Whenever you're ready to test again, just say the word and we'll simplify it even further, or tweak whatever's not firing right. For now, you want me to stay quiet while you trade, or you want to pause and work on the code some more?
It didn't work. I was down $2,000, and now I'm back up to about $100 profit now. I had to reverse. So once I got stopped out, I put my stop above the opening candle. Price went down. I was up like maybe 1,500. I should have taken that. I think in the future I'm going to write this up to where, once I see that signal, you're going to go in that direction. You're going to get about 10 ticks. Maybe take that profit, get out, and then wait and see what the next candle does. I believe that if the next candle follows the trend in the same pattern, if it's another red or green candle, depending on what direction you're going in, you can get back in and stay in. If it is an opposite color, like if you're going down and it goes up a green candle, get out. That's or stay out, I should say. Don't get back in until you cross the threshold of that 5 minutes. So I'll go back and watch this video again today and see what, if I can tweak it a little bit, and hopefully.
Got it. Sounds like today was a whipsaw day. You got stopped out, reversed, and grinded back from down $2,000 to up about $100. That's tough. Your new idea makes sense. Treat the first break as a scalp for 10 ticks, then only re-enter if the next candle confirms the same direction. If you get an opposite color candle, stay out until it breaks the 5-minute range again. You want me to help you write this new rule set out clearly, or you just want to finish the session and review the video later?
I'm going to finish this and review the video later.
Sounds good. I'll stay quiet and just track your P&L for you. Take your time and finish the session. Just let me know the numbers whenever you want me to log them.
Yeah, we're getting out right there at 950.
Got it. Out at 950. I'll mark that down. Let me know what your final P&L was on that trade.
Right now, price is struggling at yesterday's high. It's trying to get back to overnight high, but it's a little hesitation right now. I got back.
Yeah,
I got
I
out.
see it. Yep.
I got out, got back in, and I'm currently waiting to see if it goes back up to overnight high and hit my initial take profit. If not, then I'll just get out for a small loss here, but I'm risking it for the biscuit.
Got it. You're back in, swinging for the overnight high and your original take profit. I'll stay quiet. Just let me know when you're out and what the P&L is. Good luck.
I'm going to add 10 more right here. See if I can get a little bit more going up.
Got it. You added 10 more. Let me know when you're out.
God damn it.
Fuck. What happened? You want me to track the damage or just stay quiet?
No fucking algorithm just went hunting for stops and got me stopped out.
Fucking classic. They ran the stops right at the overnight high. You want me to log the loss or just leave it for the video review later?
Fuck it, it's alright. I'm waiting for it to close to see where I got out at.
Alright, no stress. Just let me know when it closes and where you got out at. I'll log it for you.
Yeah, that's some bullshit.
Yeah, that was some bullshit. I'll stay quiet till you get out. Just tell me the exit when you're done.
I'm out. Total P&L for the day, $45. Fucking bullshit.
Plus $45 on the day. Rough one, man. From down 2 grand to barely green is a hell of a grind. You done for the day or still watching?
I'm watching. We definitely are starting to trend up.
Got it. You're green $45 and starting to trend up now. I'm still here watching with you. Just let me know if anything changes.
If it goes and sits on top of this next level, then I'll get in.
All right, noted. Let me know when you get in. I'm watching with you.
Great. Didn't even fucking feel.
Damn, missed it. That's frustrating. You want me to keep watching for the next setup, or are you calling it a day?
Oh my god, you're getting annoying. Getting annoying. Stop was too tight, but it doesn't make sense though. Did I get filled? Okay. Doesn't make sense though because I got somebody calling me. Alrighty. Slowly climbing up. Fuck, I didn't set any of my ranges, so let me do that. Okay. 5-minute range was down here somewhere. Let's see. 28094. That's the top of our range, along with that candle. We'll just leave that there. The bottom was somewhere down here. It doesn't really fucking matter because it didn't go where the fuck I wanted it to go. But we'll just put that there. That range is good. The other range is good. Now we're just trying to close above there. Obvious next target would be this up here. Right? And that's going to be our target. We hit that, I'm done for the day. I'm not going to try and trade anymore. I got to go back and retest that fucking opening range. It works. I'm telling you it works. It just needs to be tweaked. I think I can tweak it. As you saw how I came back, you know, if you get denied in one direction on that trade, just fucking flip it, right? And you're going to go in the other direction. But I haven't tested though if you go 30 points in the other direction. I wouldn't think 30, maybe 20-point move. If I look at where I got in now, maybe it's hitting around 20-point range, or it may even be 30. I got to go back and test that today, along with the reversal candle, or basically the second candle, the 840 candle, because the 835 5-minute candle was an engulfing red candle. I got to check and see if the next candle does not close down. Then if it closes in between that range, do you stay in or do you get out as soon as you can? You know, that's something I got to look at. But it all doesn't matter as long as we're making money at the end of the fucking day. Points is what I look for, not dollars. You look for points, you'll make money regardless. So yes, I was up early. I could have got out and grabbed those. But I'm looking for the overall concept on the move. When I tested this particular setup that I saw today, shows about 5 times maybe a month. And if you only trade that on the true moves that it does, those true 30-point moves, hell, that's all you would really need to do is just look for those. Protect yourself on the backside. Now, a perfect trade would be getting in right at the top, but you can't because of how the market is. So you don't want to put your stop directly behind where you got in, because then you're not going to give it room to pull back. So some things I got to tweak. All right, we are above that. Let me show you guys what it looks like on my Thinkorswim. You see, we got the long entry candle here at 850. That is also in the script that I am running. So it's going to tell me where to get in, where to get out on the trend. Also, this is the scout short. 30-point scout short is going to be this signal here right at the open, and it told us, hey, take it, get in as close as you can to entry, put your stop 1 tick above the range, which we did right here somewhere, and target 2779.4. Didn't work out today, but that's okay. We're not gonna fucking just throw that away. We're gonna keep using it. But right now we're just following this trend up here. I'm gonna get out here, or I may take it further and get back in if I don't get an exit on my actual script running right here. I may just get out with 50 and let 10 ride. We'll kind of see how it goes. We actually got 2 levels up there. I only got 1 marked on my screen. So 28.45.6, 28.45.6. That's the first level. The second one is 28.48.9. Or 28.48.9 is the other level. We can make those smaller so I can get right to the point. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to... Oh shit, I'm not even looking at that screen no more. Let me put me back over here. We're going to put getting out at 50 contracts right here. And then we're going to let 10 ride up a little higher. and get the last 10 out up here. We'll see how that goes. It's like a pretty strong trend as long as we stay above this fucking level here. $60. You know what? Fuck that. We're going to take our cash now. And we'll get back in once price breaks that high. Seems to be holding up above that, so I'm going to come down and get a better entry. It did sweep that high though. That's showing me he's going to go down. Let's see. What the fuck? I never got in that fucking trade. Oh, wow. It automatically entered me in that trade. I'm not pissed because it's still going to go up. I'm just I am pissed. I am pissed. I'm pissed that I didn't, because I wanted to get in at the fucking bottom down here as it touches the 1. That just makes me angry. So I got to sit here longer.
Warranty Company and Best Claim Service. They are available 24/7, and every Choice Home warranty plan covers repairs and replacements.
When the appliance breaks down, you need the security of a home warranty. And for me, it's Choice Home Warranty.
Fuck it.
Call Choice
Might as
Home
well, if I'm
Warranty
down
now
here,
and learn about special
might as well
phone
get a better
pricing
fucking
only
price.
available today. Plus, ask how you can get your first month free.
Call 800-983-8936. That's 800-983-8936. Call now.
Ready, Beth? Good.
When congestion stuffs you up and there's no time to waste, Afrin No Drip unblocks in seconds for instant relief. Wow. Afrin No Drip. The wow is real.
You're told to optimize, to hack. There's always a promise of a better you. But what if you were never meant to be fixed? Your biology knows how to drive. It just needs a reminder. Armor Colostrum
All right, price did go up and hit our targets. And I came back home and we're up 9,000 for the day. I was following it on my phone, but I knew it was going to hit all my targets, so I didn't have to worry about logging in and getting it out. It never broke above or below this this daily level, 2818.5. It stayed above that. That's how I knew we were going to end up hitting our targets. And yeah, we did. Good day. Easy money. Of course, this is paper trading. This is my what's this, 9th day? Yep, tomorrow is my last day, 2 full weeks of paper trading. This account started with $500 and it started with $250. Started with $250 and now we're at $27,000, and that is in less than 2 weeks of trading. I compounded every trade, every day. So whatever I would make that day, I would use that money on the next day and kept growing and growing and growing. And that's how we got to this number. We start trading live money next week. Stick around. I'm out.